Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, August 5th, 2021. It is 7:18 and 37 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, neuromorphic hardware. So let's hop to it here. Brain-inspired highly scalable neuromorphic hardware. Date August 5th, 2021. Source, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Researchers fabricated a brain-inspired highly scalable neuromorphic hardware by co-integrating single-transistor neurons and synapses. Using standard silicon complementary metal oxide semiconductor CMOS technology, the neuromorphic hardware is expected to reduce chip costs and simplify fabrication procedures. Researchers produced neurons and synapses based on single transistor for scalable neuromorphic hardware and showed the ability to recognize text and face images. Neuromorphic hardware has attracted a great deal of attention because of its artificial intelligence functions, but consuming ultra-low power of less than 20 watts by mimicking the human brain. And to make neuromorphic hardware work, a neuron that generates a spike when integrating a certain signal, and a synapse remembering the connection between two neurons are necessary, just like the biological brain. However, since neurons and synapses constructed on digital or analog circuits occupy a large space, there is a limit in terms of hardware, efficiency, and cost. And since the human brain consists of about 1,011 neurons and 1,014 synapses, it is necessary to improve the hardware cost in order to apply it to mobile and IoT devices. And to solve the problem, the research team mimicked the behavior of biological neurons and synapses with a single transistor and co-integrated them onto an 8-inch wafer. The manufactured neuromorphic transistors have the same structure as the transistors for memory and logic that are currently mass-produced. In addition, the neuromorphic transistors prove for the first time that they can be implemented with a Janus structure that functions as both neurons and synapse, just like coins have heads and tails. Researchers said that this work can dramatically reduce the hardware cost by replacing the neurons and synapses that were based on complex digital and analog circuits with a single transistor. Researchers have demonstrated that neurons and synapses can be implemented using a single transistor. By co-integrating single transistor neurons and synapses on the same wafer using a standard CMOS process, the hardware cost of the neuromorphic hardware has been improved, which will accelerate the commercialization of neuromorphic hardware. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.